പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം മുഴുവനും പോയിടാം സുവിശേഷവുമായി പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം പോയിടാം നാം
Numbers chapter 3 onwards. This is the lineage of Aaron and Moses at the time when the Lord spoke with Moses on Mount Sinai. These are the names of the son of Aaron: Nadab the firstborn, and Abihu, Eleazar, and Ithamar. These are the names of the sons of Aaron, the anointed priest, whom he ordained to minister as priest. Nadab and Abihu died before the Lord when they offered illicit fire before the Lord in the wilderness of Sinai, and they had no children. Eleazar and Ithamar served as priests in the lifetime of their father Aaron. Then the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, "Bring the tribe of Levi near, and set them before Aaron the priest, so that they may assist him. They shall perform duties for him and for the whole congregation in front of the tent of meeting, doing service at the tabernacle. They shall be in charge of all the furnishings of the tent of meeting, and attend to the duties of the Israelites, as they do service at the tabernacle. You shall give Levites to Aaron and his descendants. They are usurpably given to him from among the Israelites. But you shall make a register of Aaron and his descendants. It is they who shall attend to the priesthood, and any outsider who comes near shall be put to death." Then the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, "I hereby accept the Levites from among the Israelites as substitutes for all the firstborn, that the open womb among Israelites. The Levites shall be mine, for all the firstborn are mine. When I killed all the firstborn in the land of Egypt, I consecrated for my own all the firstborn in Israel. Both human and animal, they shall be mine. I am the Lord." Then the Lord spoke to Moses in the wilderness of Sinai, saying, "Enroll the Levites by ancestral houses and by clans. You shall enroll every male from a month old and upward." So Moses enrolled them according to the word of the Lord, as he was commanded. The following were the sons of Levi by their names: Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. These are the names of the son of Gershon by their clans: Libni and Shimei. The sons of Kohath by their clans: Amram, Izhar, Hebron, and Uzziel. The sons of Merari by their clans: Mali and Mushi. These are the clans of Levites by their ancestral houses. To Gershon belonged to the clan of Libnites and the clan of Shemites. These were the clans of Gershonites. Their enrollment, counting all the males from the month old and upward, was 7,500. The clans of Gershonites were to camp behind the tabernacle on the west, with Elisaph, son of Lehi, as head of the ancestral house of Gershonites. The responsibility of son of Gershonite in the tent of meeting was to be the tabernacle, the tent with its covering, the screen for the entrance of the tent of meeting, the hangings of the court, the screen for the entrance of the court, that is around the tabernacle, and the altar, and its courts, all the services pertaining to these. The Kohath belonged to the clan of the Amorites, the clan of Izharites, the clan of Hebronites, and the clan of Uzzielites. These are the clans of Kohathites. Counting all the males from the month old and upward, there were 8,600 attending to the duties of the sanctuary. The clans of Kohathites were to camp on the south side of the tabernacle, with Elizaphan, son of Uzziel, as the head of the ancestral house of the clan of Kohathites. The responsibility was to be the ark, the table, the lampstand, the altars, the vessels of the sanctuary with which the priests, ministers, and the screen, all the service pertaining to this. Eleazar, son of Aaron, The priest was to be the chief over all the leaders of the Levites and to have oversight of those who had charge of the sanctuary. To Merari belonged the clan of Mahlites and the clan of Mushites. These are the clan of Merari. Males from a month old and upward was 6,200. The head of the ancestral house of the clans of Merari and Zuriel, son of Abihail. They were to camp on the north side of the tabernacle. The responsibility assigned to the sons of Merari was to be frames of the tabernacle, the bars, the pillars, the bases, and all their accessories, all the services pertaining to these. Also the pillars of the court all around, with their bases and pegs and courts. Those who were to camp in front of the tabernacle on the east, in front of the tent of meeting toward the west, were Moses and Aaron's son having charge of the rites within the sanctuary. Whatever had to be done for the Israelites and any outsider who came near was to be put to death. The total enrollment of the Levites whom Moses and Aaron enrolled at the commandment of the Lord by their clans, all the males from a month old and upward, was 22,000. Then the Lord said to Moses, enroll all the firstborn males of the Israelites from a month old and upward and count their names. But you shall accept the Levites for me. I am the Lord, as substitutes for all the firstborn among the Israelites, and livestock for the Levites as substitute for all the firstborn among the livestock of all the Israelites. So Moses enrolled all the firstborn among the Israelites as the Lord had commanded him. The total count of enrollment of all the firstborn males from a month old and upward, counting the number of names, was 22,273. Then the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, accept the Levites as substitutes for all the firstborn among the Israelites, and the livestock of Levites as substitute for the livestock, and the Levites shall be mine. I am the Lord. As the price of redemption of 273 of the firstborn of Israelites over the above number of Levites, you shall accept 5 shekels apiece, reckoning by the shekel of the sanctuary, a shekel of 20 gerahs. Give to Aaron and his son the money by which the excess number of them is redeemed. So Moses took the redemption money from those who were over and above those who were redeemed by the Levites. From the firstborn of Israelites he took the money, 1,365 shekels, reckoned by the shekel of the sanctuary. And Moses gave the redemption money to Aaron and his sons, according to the word of the Lord, as the Lord has commanded Moses. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
പോയിടാം